This is my Audi A3, and for a while now, it's been off the road for about 5 months. We've got some modifications for you today, and that's what we're going to fit.
Today, we're giving the Audi A3 a little breathing room with a ram air intake and upgrading the ignition system with some APR Coilpacks. These simple mods can improve throttle response, airflow, and even add a little extra power.
Absolutely mint.
As you can see, I'm disconnecting the MAF sensor, the pipes, and all the clips so we can take the airbox out and get the new one in. So there's actually 2 screws holding the air duct in for the original airbox, which we need to remove.
Bolts out, and then we can get to installing the heat shield from that. So now we actually have to assemble the heat shield.
Trying to get these rubber bung units in when your hands feel like they're at 2 degrees Celsius was a mission and a half. But nevertheless, we managed to get them in to get the heat shield prepped.
So that goes in there like that. That's in. They were quite hard to get in actually.
So as you can see, we've got this rubber tubing now that we need to install on all the hard edges of the metal. This is to help everything sit better and make sure that there's no sharp edges. So number 1, you don't cut yourself, and number 2, it looks a bit cleaner. There's the first one installed, and now we need to install the circle which the black silicone intake pipe is going to go. This was actually really hard to do, and I did genuinely struggle with this for a good sort of 5 to 10 minutes. But we got there in the end, and we managed to get it on.
Tiny bit. So there is a little gap, but I'm hoping that you're not going to see.
Also, please remember, if you are enjoying this content, please like, comment and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what videos you want to see and how you think I can improve these videos. Now let's get straight back into it and carry on fitting these modifications.
Like so. This is where we're up to. Got the base in. That is probably going to really annoy me. However, I do still have this left, so if I did want to take it off, but I'll run it for now. So next, I actually need to screw this bit in. Little Allen screws with washers, which need to go into these bits.
The journey so far with this Audi, we've had ups and we've had downs, and pretty much every modification I have installed, it has taken a lot longer than it needed to. However, now we've started this YouTube channel up, and I'm really looking forward to 2025, and I hope you guys are as much as I am.
So instead of using the tiny little Allen key they've provided, I've gone for this because it's longer and I can actually get around the whole thing.
Of course, if there's any content that you guys would like me to make, or you want to see me do with my Audi, or maybe even get some other cars on the channel, be sure to drop a comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, let me know. This is your YouTube channel as much as it is mine.
So, last bolt we've got to put in is this one, which connects to the battery tray. It looks quite flimsy at the minute, but once that one's in, bring it all together. So let's get that one in. So now I need to get this MAF sensor out of here. Where's my screwdriver then?
So as you can see, I'm just removing the MAF sensor from the old airbox. Once this is done, we can chuck the old airbox in the bin, out with the old, in with the new.
One MAF sensor out. Okay, so got the MAF sensor on. Put my air filter on. So the last thing I believe is just tighten these up.
All I'm doing now is tightening up the Jubilee clips for the air intake.
It does move around quite a lot. I don't know how you stop that from moving.
So I actually decided to use that bit of rubber piping that I had spare to put on the top, as I didn't think the circle was that big of a deal.
So there we have it. One air intake installed.
Now it's everyone's favourite time. Let's start the car and have a listen and see what it sounds like.
The car is running absolutely beautifully. So now all that's left is these coil packs. I mean, some of these connectors are very much broke. I do need to get a new harness. Let's get these open. They just look so good, don't they?
Now it's time to install the APR Coilpacks. Now my main reason for purchasing these was I wanted to replace the normal ones anyway, due to having them in the car since the car was manufactured, and they look cool in the engine bay. But nevertheless, let's get them installed and on the car.
Right, let's get these plugged in. Find a road that I can actually open it up a bit.
we are away. I managed to get the air intake installed. I've been driving the car for about a week now. It's now the next weekend, so I'm planning on recording the next video today. I just thought I'd outro this video. Car's running lovely. The intake sounds absolutely amazing. I just want to thank each and every one of you that supported me on the last video. And once again, if there is any content that you guys would like me to make for you, any modifications you want to see on the Audi, feel free, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe.